So we just got the news that Tencent Music is filing for a big tech IPO. Could be the biggest tech IPO ever here in the U.S. Spotify owns a piece of that. What does that mean in terms of competition? More money to fuel your rival's growth?
Well, we don't see Spotify as a rival. I think that's sort of the music collection. Their ancestor was Tower Records. And we've always had a great synergistic relationship between radio, where people discover their music, and their music collection, where they put it, whether it's a stream or a CD or whatever it was in the past. But I think the real news is that audio's hot. That we haven't seen an interest in audio like this in 20 years. Suddenly it's between the Alexa speaker, podcasting, which is a big area of growth for us, whether it's the streaming services. And by the way, the market seems to love it. There seem to be great opportunities, M&A, IPOs, et cetera.
Well, speaking of M&A, SiriusXM buying Pandora, creating another much larger rival for you. Does this put more pressure on you to sell?
Look, I think it is. I don't look at it as rival. I look at it as validation that audio is hot. And I think that for us, anything that brings interest to this sector is great for us.
So where do things stand, though, in talks with Liberty Media? Are you looking to sell the company?
We are not looking to sell the company. They're new owners of the company that were the debt holders. And I think they are looking at, obviously a completely new capital structure for the company, which is fantastic for us. And we're excited about the future.
Okay, well, I have to ask you a media M&A question.
Sure.
Obviously, you were at AOL through the Time Warner merger. Also, you used to run MTV and Viacom. A lot of talk about what's next for Viacom and CBS. Do you think these two companies need to merge to compete in this era of so much consolidation?
Well, I think they're both good companies. I think, you talk to different people and they say, oh, one's much better than the other. I think they're great companies. And so the question is, what's their strategy? And I think there's some strategies that would lead you to say, put them together. And there are other strategies that would lead you to say, keep them apart. I don't sit in the boardroom. I'm not a big shareholder. But I think those kinds of discussions are probably going on. And those are really smart people involved. Dick Parsons was my old partner back at Time Warner and a great pal. I think they've got some really good thinkers there. And I think they'll figure out what's the right thing for them. And I suspect they'll now do it.